Are you looking for the best insert electric fireplaces? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best insert electric fireplaces on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Electactic 21-inch electric fireplace insert. The Electactic electric fireplace offers a cozy atmosphere with realistic flame effects, perfect for winding down or hosting guests. You can customize the ambience with 5 adjustable flame brightness and flicker speed settings to match your mood. Safety is a top priority, featuring overheat protection and an auto shut-off function, allowing you to relax without worry. With 2 heating modes, you can choose between 750W for low heat or 1500W for high heat, ensuring your comfort is always met. The user-friendly controls let you effortlessly adjust settings from the side panel or remote control, making it easy to enjoy the warmth. What we like: realistic flame effects. Safety features included: 2 heating modes. Easy remote operation. Number 2. LegendFlame 25-inch W freestanding electric fireplace log set, EF484. The LegendFlame electric fireplace log set is a stunning and convenient addition to any room. With its 25-inch WX20HX10D size, it can be easily placed in small or large existing openings or cabinets. The realistic and authentic resin logs with ember bed create a beautiful flame effect that looks even better than a wood-burning fireplace. Plus, the 100% energy-saving LED technology allows you to enjoy the flame effect all year long, with or without the heater. Speaking of the heater, it provides enough heat for a room of up to 400 square feet, making it perfect for cozy nights at home. The included remote control with 2 AAA batteries adds convenience to your experience. With a 1-year limited warranty and excellent customer service, the LegendFlame electric fireplace log set is a must-have for adding warmth and ambience to your space. What we like: stunning flame effect. Energy-saving LED technology. Heats up to 400 square feet. Number 3. YITAHOME 23-inch electric fireplace insert. The YITAHOME electric fireplace is designed to bring warmth and ambience to your home. You can adjust the temperature to suit your comfort level, ensuring a cozy environment all year round. The beautiful log flame effect can be enjoyed even without heating, making it a stunning focal point in your living room. With 3 brightness settings and a remote control, you can easily customize the flame's appearance from across the room. Plus, the unit includes a safety thermostat that automatically shuts off if it overheats, providing peace of mind while you relax. What we like: adjustable temperature settings. Remote control convenience. Realistic flame effect. Safety shut-off feature. Number 4. TURBRO Eternal Flame Electric Fireplace Logs. The TURBRO electric fireplace logs offer a convenient way to enjoy the warmth and ambience of a fire without the hassle of traditional wood-burning fireplaces. With its upgraded infrared heating, you can easily heat up to 1,000 square feet, making it perfect for cozying up your living room. You can also adjust the brightness to create the right mood for any occasion, whether it's a lively gathering or a quiet evening. The user-friendly control panel and remote allow you to manage temperature and flame settings effortlessly, ensuring a comfortable environment in no time. What we like: efficient infrared heating. Adjustable brightness levels. Remote control operation. Easy installation. Safe and reliable. Number 5. Alpaca 23-inch electric fireplace logs. The Alpaca electric fireplace offers a powerful 1500W heating system that quickly warms your room, ensuring you stay cozy on cold days. You can enjoy a realistic flame effect, complete with 5 flame options and airspeed adjustments, creating the perfect ambience without any messy smoke. For added safety, it features an overheat protection system that automatically shuts off at 230 degrees Fahrenheit, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Plus, it operates quietly, making it ideal for a restful night's sleep. With easy operation and versatile use, it's perfect for any room in your home. What we like: quick heating capability. Realistic flame appearance. Safety overheat protection. Quiet operation. Easy to use.